One of the basic challenges that the recycling industry faces is to understand the value of scrap, waste or byproducts. In order to conduct the orderly trade in waste materials or secondary commodities, a source of valuation or pricing is required. Virgin commodity markets may not directly represent the condition of a broad range of grades and specifications of scrap, waste or byproducts, therefore a specific pricing system that better reflects the values of recycled waste materials is required. Cooksmill Netsystems has established a comprehensive pricing system that covers a broad spectrum of secondary commodities. Since 1995, Cooksmill has operated an online exchange network that facilitates the trade of waste materials, by connecting buyers and sellers of those commodities. One of the fundamental steps to successfully facilitate the trade of waste materials is to establish a definitive classification of the grades and specifications of the goods, especially since the buyers and sellers may never meet face to face. The operation of a bid-ask order matching system provides a source of data that indicates the open interest, transactional prices and also trend changes. This allows us the framework to publish a market pricing system that may act as a guide to the valuation of secondary commodities. Building upon the foundation of the daily spot market prices, and by tracking the changing market prices of a basket of specific benchmark grades, this allows us to display market trend information in the form of composite indexes. Each day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, price data is compiled across the entire network, which allows us to take a snapshot and establish a daily spot market price for each grade of waste material and secondary commodity. Daily spot market prices are accessible as a part of the basic membership service within the Cooksmill network. The composite indexes allow us to indicate changing trends in individual industry sectors, or to represent an umbrella overview of the entire secondary commodity market. The 30-day trend tracker reflects the change over the past 30 days and provides the ability to easily compare trends across multiple specific sectors within the recycling industry. We intend to discuss the composite indexes in greater detail at some point in the future. With an accumulated archive containing several decades of daily spot market prices, we are able to produce a variety of historical price data reports. These reports range from monthly, annual or multi-year summaries indicating the high, low and average prices, to more granular reports including charts and graphs detailing forensic daily spot market prices by the month. We also intend to discuss the individual historical price reports at a later time. The data collected within the Cooksmill network is based on the dynamic compilation of transactions, with varying origins and destination points. Therefore, the spot market prices and composite indexes are not localized for any specific area or location but represents an international average worldwide market price. The source of the Cooksmill Netsystems data is internal and proprietary in nature and may not reflect external market trends. In summary, Cooksmill Netsystems is a unique source of data related to secondary commodity markets. Please feel free to reach out to us if we can be of service in providing information on scrap, waste or byproducts in your circular sustainability efforts.